Hello everyone! Today we bring you a super simple but delicious recipe. Peanut butter cookies. They are perfect to accompany your coffee, for a snack, or simply when you need something quick and homemade. Let's get started. But first remember that, if you are interested in our content, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot. First of all, let's do a brief summary of our cookies recipe. Our peanut butter cookies have an easy difficulty. Its preparation time is approximately 15 minutes, while its cooking time is 10 to 12 minutes, and they must cool for 10 more minutes. Now, let's see what utensils we will need. A baking tray, baking paper or silicone mat, measuring spoons, a mixer or spatula, and a large bowl. To make the cookies, we need simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. Don't worry about writing them down. We'll leave them in the video description. We will use 1 cup of peanut butter, either creamy or crunchy, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 cup of wheat flour, although you can use oat or gluten-free flour if you prefer, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Alright, now let's make our peanut butter cookies. First, we are going to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. This is key, so that our cookies bake evenly. In a large bowl, we add the cup of peanut butter, the brown sugar, the white sugar, the egg, and the vanilla extract. Using a mixer or a spatula, mix well until you obtain a smooth and homogeneous dough. Next, we are going to sift the flour, baking soda, and salt into another container. Then, little by little, we add these dry ingredients to the wet mixture. With a spoon, we make small balls of dough and place them on our baking sheet, making sure to leave them separated so that they do not stick together when baking. Now here comes the classic touch. With a fork, we lightly flatten each ball, creating that typical pattern of peanut butter cookies. With the oven already hot, we place the tray inside and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. We will know they are ready when the edges begin to brown slightly. We take the cookies out of the oven and let them cool on the tray for about 5 minutes. Then we transfer them to a rack to cool completely. This step is key so that they have the perfect texture. If you want an even more delicious version, you can add chocolate chips or chopped nuts to the dough before baking. Also, these cookies keep very well in an airtight container, although I assure you that they will disappear in a few days. And that's all. I hope you enjoy these delicious peanut butter cookies as much as we do. At Cookinglandia, we are always excited to share unique and delicious recipes with you. Thanks for joining us. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our recipes. See you in the next video. See you soon. And for more detailed articles and recipes, visit our website at cookinglandia.com.